Mimi bounced into the sunlit kitchen, her pigtails bobbing with excitement. She gazed up at her mum with wide, hopeful eyes. "Mum, I want something sweet," she exclaimed, licking her lips in anticipation. Her mum's eyes twinkled. "How about making donuts together?" Mimi's mouth dropped open, and she clapped her hands. "Donuts? With sprinkles?" "Of course," her mum smiled. Mimi spun in a happy circle. "Best day ever." Mum tied Mimi's apron, and together they gathered everything they needed: flour, milk, eggs, and a big mixing bowl. Mimi carefully poured in the flour. Whoosh! It sparkled in the sunlight. She tipped in the milk, cracked an egg, only a little shell fell in, and giggled as she stirred. The dough felt sticky and squishy between her fingers. "Just right," Mum encouraged. Mimi dusted flour on the table. "Shaping time," her mum declared. Mimi rolled a lump of dough into a wobbly circle. She tried again. This one looked like a squashed hat. "They're all funny shapes," Mimi groaned. Mum knelt beside her. "Let's try going slowly." "Watch me," she said, shaping the dough gently. Mimi followed, steady and careful. This time, her donut was almost a perfect ring. "You did it!" Mum cheered. Mimi grinned, her face dusted with flour. "I want more donuts, fast," she declared, squashing dough and rushing through the trays. But the hurried donuts were lumpy and odd. Some were thick as bricks, others thin as pancakes. Mimi's smile faded. "They look all wrong, Mum." Mum gave her a gentle squeeze. "Sometimes, rushing spoils the fun. Let's go slow again, together." They worked side by side, hands moving carefully and quietly. Soon the tray held a parade of pretty, round donuts, all with sparkling holes in the middle. Now, for the best part, decorating. Mimi dunked warm donuts in runny icing, showered them in rainbow sprinkles, and drizzled swirls of chocolate. Each donut looked fancier than a treasure. At last, it was time for a taste. Mimi took a huge bite and her eyes sparkled. Soft, sweet, and delicious. "Yum," she shouted, laughter bubbling up inside her. Mum smiled. "Was it worth taking your time?" Mimi nodded, her cheeks dusted with sugar. "Yes. When you slow down, you make magic." Mimi remembered her biggest lesson. When she took things slowly, she was happier, the donuts looked lovely, and everything tasted better too. So next time you're eager for something tasty, remember Mimi's Donut Day. Slow and steady makes every bite more special. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.